We're going to walk you through the steps to change your Apple ID country or region. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Maybe you've moved to a different country or region and you want your Apple ID to reflect that change. This allows you access to region-specific apps and content. To begin, open the App Store like this. Once inside the App Store, head to the top right corner where your account icon is shown. Tap it. This will bring up your account page. At the top, you'll see your Apple ID. Tap on it and it'll take you to your account settings page. You might be asked to sign in at this point. Scroll down the page and look for the country region option, then go ahead and tap it. Now you can choose a new country or region. For example, if I move to the United States, I would select that from the list. You'll need to review the terms shown, and when you're ready, press continue. Then you'll need to agree to the Apple Media Services terms and conditions. I've already reviewed them, so I'll tap agree. Next, you'll be prompted to add a new payment method. What's most important here is entering a valid billing address for the country or region you selected. Once everything is filled out, tap done and your Apple ID region will be updated.